7, the original Naija station, the headquarters of the hottest Nigerian Gbedu, past, present, future. Like I always they talk, even the one where they on top fire or the one where they on top oven, as they come out, we go always sunshine give you as it is hot. Happy Valentine's Day, happy February 14, 2024. I no go sing say Valentine is coming, don't come already. Well, no ask me where my boyfriend is. I no answer you. I don't want to tell you what I want to do for my own self today. And of course, I don't run that matter. But I want to say happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Aside from say you go like make people show you love, you show love to somebody else. Very, very important. Well, now the hottest, the smokiest, the baddest make the show on Top Radio Workshop. And yes, now only me, they run them today again. Godwin Arua, you know, fit make them down today. So we will day together until 4 p.m. And of course, you know, say, as per say na Valentine matter, so many things they to talk about today. I know say internet go hot, but somebody say Valentine is not Valentining, and I understand what in the context in which that person mean. But you go still try, no matter how little, to still make yourself happy, make people around you happy. Do what you feel do within your means. No key yourself. Do your best. All right. Okay. 15 minutes after 12, 9 time they talk so, and this now one particular artist way personally I they say. The day I see him, I get some questions where I go ask him. You know, the guy get voice. But we go fight small because he enter studio, he no smile at me. I say, with a quarrel. No good. Person will be a big fan. You know if he smile at your fan. Well, anyway, before you ask me what they talk. Now,
I'm smiling now.
Whoa. So now you want to smile. What happened that time when you enter studio? What
this
happened?
morning just hot anyhow. To be honest, the heat's outside.
Well,
they cool inside. So
you cool inside, so you do okay now.
I do okay now.
So if you come out now, you go on the frown again.
Yes, no. This heat's not a smile for anybody.
But good to have you here. So we get World in the building.
How are you?
I did. Well, happy New Year, happy Val's Day.
Yes, so same to you.
Oh, now wow. The Naija boy, they phonerize your pigeons.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice one. Well, welcome. We're happy to have you here. And of course, your song don't. Now I don't meet your music before I even meet you as a person. And the one way stand out for me now, Mad. I don't know what you put inside that song, but I know if you get over
Till today.
Mad.
Till today.
You know, yes.
A lot of people did like that, to be honest. Like, they never leave that song. Some people like, World, give us another Mad. I say, we don't pass that one now. But you know, it's a blessing.
Yeah.
Just to put stuff out way 2024, like 2019 till now, people still feel the same about the song.
Okay, so now 2019 you run the song.
Yes, no.
Okay.
Yeah.
So waiting. Before we talk about your music, of course, you know, say na new music, na carry you come.
Yes.
Wouldn't be the name where your parents give you? No, say no be World then give you.
Sadiq.
Yes.
Yes.
So how World come about?
Okay. To explain this one for English, for Pidgin go hard small, but I could try.
Okay.
So World na like my world with you. So if you spell world the right way, WORLD, if you come out the O inside, put you. So it's just in a double meaning. So like my experiences, my music, everything what I share now, literally my experiences over time, over years, places I've been to. So for me, I call them places, people and things. So I share parts of my life
with everybody, with people.
But things that I feel say people go relate to. Not every part of my life, but the part where I know say, okay, you know what, not be only me they go through this thing. Like that kind of mad now, not be only me they go through stress where almost every give you stress. You know that kind of thing now. But we still come together. So most of the music why they do now really personal experiences and things why I don't go through, or some other people's experiences why they observe. Like I try small with that people.
You try well. You try well. So that now how World come about.
Yes.
So when you start to this sing?
I don't tell. I'm not gonna lie you. Forever.
Like
to be
forever.
Honest. You don't reach one level we say I don't even track them anymore. Like it's a natural thing now.
Okay.
I just focus on the next phase and you know how to fulfill my own goals. You know. Yeah.
Wow, nice. So this song now, before we enter the new song, Mad, and now you and SARS now you upload them. Waiting inspire the song.
The new song will be Mad though.
I know. Now the song, I say we'll start from Mad before we enter the new song. So waiting because one of the things where I say I go ask you if I ever get the opportunity to meet you. So waiting inspire that song Mad
To be honest, like the lyrics for that song says it all. I'm dealing with my stress and I'm dealing with your stress. I feel like everybody, if you are ever with somebody, when you decide today na Valentine's Day, right? So when you decide say you deal with somebody, all their wala become your wala, and your wala become their wala if you deal real. And
So-
that's such a real life thing. That's what I meant by most of the music. That one song, when I write that line, say me, I know say I go catch people with that one. I dey deal with my friends, and your friends they come, they put salt inside our matter. You know that kind of thing. Like I feel like a lot of people feel relate to that conversation. So that was what made that song special. Besides that, of course, the music, SARS and the beats. So everything about that song, that's one of the most perfect songs. And everybody feel agree.
I admit, I personally agree. The song get this melody we no just they leave you.
Yeah, and nothing dey like till now.
Till now. Now,
And
I say I never
exactly.
really get over them, especially the melody, the production, then the way everything just blend for inside.
And so that song, like for me, if you carry song which gets plenty meaning, come put very commercial beats on top. It dey hard
yeah,
because most times commercial music no dey get depth. Most
Yeah.
times,
Most times,
but
yeah.
that one na one of those songs where we just take all the boxes, So I don't put small English inside, no vex.
Okay, no wala. Well, before we talk more about your new song, you get Val.
Yes, now I get now.
You get
Yes, now.
ah.
The whole world, this entire whole world, no get back. Which kind world be that? Yes, now.
Which kind of political answer be that one?
Not true now. This entire world.
Mm-hmm.
You see, they help people connect.
You there people connect.
Yeah, now
Okay.
through my music. If me I no connect, the problem did it.
No, but now they talk about the whole world. Now they talk about you
Yes,
personally.
Yes, now the
Okay.
entire world.
They give us political answer anyway, Sha. Oh, no worries on top of that one. So you get No Suffer,
Yeah.
and you do them for 3 different versions.
Yeah.
So we need to know what happened, what inspired that song, and why you decided to do them for 3 different versions, and the premiere too. Now for 3 different. I don't want to say locations.
Yeah, locations. Yeah, you could
Locations,
say, yeah.
okay. So what inspired that move?
So this particular song, No Suffer, if the most important thing where I would try to do, like now top of the year 2024, right?
Yeah.
And I know say everybody they try figure out where the year they go. How we go do them? Everybody they manifest different things. So for me, I like since last year I don't talk say okay, this song I won't drop top of the year. If it help motivate person, just because we don't know where things they go and everybody they try make them, everybody try survive. So I thought say okay, you know what? Top of this year, let's put this energy out, make we all manifest together. And I'm hoping like everybody has like the best year ever. And this one with Odumodu Black, it was just the right person to put on top this song.
Okay.
For the kind energy why they try bring on top of. So one version did with Mafurisa, right? That one did more upbeat, right? And that version, it did perfect the way it did. But when I make this song, every time where I come out all the fast beats and all the energy beats that my piano sound, you get one energy way did the slower version where I believe say I don't want to just put this thing on top of my computer. I want people make them feel this energy too, because the idea of these 3 versions is to create 3 different versions where people will play at different times.
Okay.
Right? Depending on the place where you day or your time zone and the vibe where you day, you fit experience the same song. If you go party, if you hear the upbeat one, if you day by yourself, like maybe they come up for club, you they go house, you just day more internal. They project and manifest. If you play this other version, where they more personal. And this is not the first time where I know say people release song like this. Me, I like to inspire. So make everybody just enjoy the 3 versions. They're all perfect the way it is, and I'm curious to see which one people like. Everybody like different version depending on their mood.
Okay.
But I think it was necessary because we didn't do now 2024 we did we guys they push this thing go another level. So yeah.
Okay, so now maybe we'll talk about the premiere. You premiere the songs for Paris.
Yes, get one version for Paris
For
and
Paris.
the mood just get that feel. So that I call that one 3 p.m. in Paris.
Okay.
And when you listen to the version of that one, you feel that energy, right? Like say you did Europe, like say you did somewhere. So the energy for that
Then
one.
you do another one for
Lagos,
For
6 a.m.
Lagos and Josie.
Yeah, Josie in Johannesburg.
Johannesburg.
Yes,
Okay.
now. So that the one way I do with Maforisa. Eh? That's the
Okay.
one way I do with Maforisa. So it just makes sense to carry him go that level, cause now it just makes sense. Cause that's where he's from as well. And actually we made that version around the same time, 3 a.m. last year. Around this time last year.
So
when I
now
was in
make you said,
Johannesburg.
okay, this time when you take producer, at the same time you would like to take premiere.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah. So the one for Lagos at 6 a.m. for Lagos, and now we as Naija now we're I feel like we're all spiritual community. We're all a praying community. When people don't allow evil take over their life, that kind of thing. But I
Yeah.
feel like in general, as Naija people, we're a praying community.
Mhm.
So 6 a.m. in Lagos is just me saying like, okay, let's manifest the day together.
Okay.
Today, every day I pray, make I no suffer.
Okay.
Today I no go suffer. My mama no go suffer today.
Mhm.
My papa no go suffer
suffer
today. My brother no
today.
go suffer today. My sister no go suffer today. So it only makes sense to put on 6 a.m. for Lagos.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Hey, I never see this kind of parallel before, but I like him. No wahalas. Now when we talk about production, they say the production credits they go to people like Themba Sewoki. Hope I pronounce them well.
Yeah.
I'm guessing Sadiq Onifade.
That's me.
That you.
Yeah.
Ah, so you. Oh wow, nice. And get Lotosh Faranja. If you pronounce the last name, I no spoil them.
Yeah, wait. See, those are real names. Those are actual real names. So like, the guy named Cyclones for there.
Okay.
So to be honest, like I work with different producers on this project. Some of them day Yankee, some of them day London. Of course, Maforisa for Saudi. So now, like me, I always like exploring new producers. Some of these producers, nobody know them before, but their talent day, and they always open to work with new people. So they now a good feeling. No, say these guys they happy. Say this thing come out. So
Okay. Wow. Okay. So they want no so far for Paris. What you do for Paris? People go. They curious to find out whether you sing some parts of them in French.
no.
Not at all.
No,
You
no.
dey speak French.
I know Sabio. I need to learn that one. Yeah.
You dey speak your language.
Of course, now they speak Yoruba well. I dey speak Pidgin now.
Eh,
I dey try it for you now.
Boy, be Yankee boy now.
Ain't no matter now.
Yeah. We are try. You speak small we here. Yoruba.
Wait in Yoruba.
Eh.
You don't share the show up.
More.
I see.
More alright.
Oh, all right.
Eh.
Okay, kilo my jealous one.
Mi ò jẹ kọ́kọ́.
Kí ló
Ebi ń
dé?
pa mí.
Eh?
Mi ò ní owó.
Oh, ni Valentine leni.
Mi ò ní Valentine.
Ah, má bínú John through Ọlọ́run. Má worry. Valentine ma wá next year. Like
Wa ma next year you be here. Ìwọ ní Valentine mi.
Hey.
Don't sabi Yoruba, don't speak small. Well, nice one, nice. But you know sound like person wey be Yankee boy, but you know say he be.
You see, and when person first see me, they think say, okay, this one a full Yankee, but my Nigerian never come out. They
You
want.
see be street.
Now people they find out. But for the most part, as we dey like this, we'll keep them calm.
Abi. Okay, well, they try sort out one or two, but you still get other songs like Spunk, Bossy, Wayo. Who play you Wayo?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Eh.
Everybody now, life now, so life be now. You said you go play person you are you, they go play you are you back.
We
Na
get
life.
as they take play these
You go come
Wayos.
learn and you grow.
Abio,
Yes, sir.
Abio. I don't ask you this question off air, but I would like ask you again.
yeah, now.
You know, when you tweet say, you they go see your parents, so you don't know as they go react to your
My
hair color.
yeah.
So to me, when I say, I may just be like, when Pikin do something and you don't know how in parents go react, so you won't hide them. How you go through that that period?
So yeah, as I talked before, like actually that tweet must have been a long time ago.
I get
Right, like 2018, around the time where I first come Lagos. I know say like it's just the energy and sign of respect because I don't know how they could take on.
Okay.
So I just didn't want make
Then put too much
make too much energy towards that. After person don't miss you, they never see you for so long. Now your head will come talk about for the next 2-3 hours. So for me, I just know one make it be the center of
attraction.
focus.
Yeah.
You know,
I
and
get
distract us from the idea of like I'm happy to be home. And that, to be honest, like gradually I cover my head that time when I come home. I realized that they don't see them for my video show you off already. So
Okay.
the transition was a lot easier.
Easier.
And
Okay.
like they understand my vibe and my energy. So yeah, it was just a concern and sign of respect, to be honest. Yeah.
Oh, I get that, Paro. It's a bit to be Yankee boy. That kind
I don't dare actually. I know they feel like Yankee boy anymore.
You never travel back since you come back.
I just come back like yesterday, Seth.
Oh wow.
Yes, no.
Yankee boy now all join for inside the home matter because you still be our pikin, you still be our blood, you still be our own. So now just borrow, you give them. So if we want demand for our property now,
exactly.
They no go fit talk anything now. Welcome back from that break. Me na DJ Dan Sang Peter, one of Naija FM 102.7, and of course now the brand new jam by World, where you feature Odumodu Black for inside where you call No Suffer. 3 versions of this song day. You get the one we did for Lagos, you get one for Paris. These 3 different versions. But what we get now, the one we do with the Odumodu Black. So, what inspired you to get Odumodu Black for inside the song?
Now, see, we recorded this song early last year, like around January, and I hear one song we Odumodu do with Zlatan, right? And I like the song. I just enter in DM and say, guy, man, like I really like this song. Him too was like, oh bro, man, like I love your song, Trouble, and one of my favorite jams. And next thing I was like, yo, where you did? I was like, I'll pull up on you. He was shocked, right? This was top of last year.
Wow.
Yeah, and I just pulled up on him. He was in the studio, and I played him a few songs, and we did 2 songs that day, just like that. And like him too, like when I hit him up, say, I want to release this song. Everybody knows, say, world, no, they release songs. They put songs on top of my computer. A lot of people they talk that one, but anyways, but this one, like when I tell him I go release, I was like, okay, wow, finally after a year. But it just made sense. Like it's just right timing.
Wow, nice. Yeah. So you not just conversation via your DM.
Yeah, early last year, like around. I remember still around like January last year.
Because they complain a lot of people they say about celebs like you now say, then they send DMs and they hardly ever respond.
Yeah.
Yeah. So somebody go there shock say, I actually send them and he answer.
Yeah. So funny enough,
so this time to say they actually go through DMs.
Yeah, but see, like it's a lot. So for example, my last EP I dropped just not long ago. Don't Get Used to This, like November. So if anybody never hear him, go listen to him. One of my best works ever, actually. The producer who I work with mainly on that project, like 5 songs. I know Sabian from anywhere. He just sent me DM.
Wow.
And he did from Amsterdam, right? And it's just the right time, right day. And you get so many messages, you can't respond to everything. But just some things just catch you at the right time. So like make anybody know they take them too personal, because that's life. Like we're all like trying to figure things out, and depending on your mood and your day, just like everybody else, it really determines how you respond to things.
Wow.
Sometimes you're more relaxed, and sometimes you're just on the go, which is most times. So make people not take them personal, because when you're doing the right things, the people where you want to make them see you, they will come find you. Yeah.
So aside from this, now you get your own collabo with Odumodu Black, and you don't do Amaforisa. Yes. Yeah. So now you don't do a couple of collabos with some other artists. Say you did on top Sweet in the Middle with them.
That was 2019. To be honest, actually, like
most of them, you don't taste more.
Yes, no.
Yeah. So moving on now, you don't do your own with Odumodu Black. Yeah. People go to expect, say maybe we'll see a world with a burner, or world with a Rema, or world with, which one it will be for you?
Time will tell, right? A lot of work is being done now, so anything can happen. Like I'm actually doing a lot of collaborations this year. This one with Odumodu Black and Mafarisa is just kind of like, the reason why I'm releasing music early is because I just want to make people know, say, like plenty jams, plenty collaborations that come this year. Yeah. And the earlier I start, the earlier they get the next one. So this one, we just make room for the next one. So it's a good feeling. Because the last year and a half, like a lot of people like, where's World? Like, but for me, I just the resets, I just the work. So most of the work what I don't do the past year and a half is starting to come out now. Because it really takes time to really put these things together, because for me, I know they rush and give people microwavable music.
Microwavable music.
Yes.
Or somebody sends you a message. Good afternoon, Auntie Lady J. I'm Godwin from Ikorodu. Mr. World, I feel you and your vibe always. I'm an upcoming artist, sir. Please, I want you to advise me, because I want to blow like you. Thanks.
You have to blow like you. Tell
He said one blow like you.
no, he has to blow like him.
Okay, you guys blow like
Yeah,
him.
my advice
Okay.
is blow like you because that's what makes it special. Because everybody path they different. The only most important thing be say no stop. If you believe don't stop doing what you're doing. Something will break through as long as you don't stop believing and working on yourself. No chase anybody, no chase feature yourself, no chase make world come feature for your song. When you do it, it's supposed the world will come find you, or anybody else where they look up to will come find you. That's how it works.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So no be like me.
Yeah, be
But
like you.
Be
Yeah.
like you. And the final question I go ask you before we go play the song I saw you come up for Inside Studio. If people want connect with you on social media, how they go fit connect with you? Where they go get the song?
Okay, the song day on every platform, iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, everywhere where you listen to music, Bloomplay, AudioMac, any YouTube Music, anywhere. And to connect with me, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, the same thing is This Is World, THISISWURLD. It's the same on all platforms. Like, yeah, get at me.
Now get at me. Okay. So carry the Yankee vibes.
Yes,
from
now
inside
we
out.
make it sweet. Make it
Okay.
sweet out.
Abios. Somebody say, please help me tell him I love him so much. I appreciate all his effort. Somebody they in love with you. And tell him I'm in love with him 1 billion times. Wow, wow, woo. World. You say everybody be your Valentine. They don't they?
No, I don't talk to everybody. I say.
Do you say the world now?
No, I say the world is fine. I'm okay.
I ask you, say, will you get value? You say yes.
Yes now. I don't answer the question. Which one we got talk
Anyway, I don't answer. I don't tell you. Say, I don't tell you what say now you be my vow. So that's why they're for inside the whole matter. Now you be my vow. So you can't deny me.
Oh yeah, no, I can never deny you. How I fit what I can't say.
Well, thanks for coming.
Thank you.
World.
Thanks for having
So
me.
what do we go expect from you again?
More music.
More music.
Let's
a tour
talk.
or a
Tour,
concert.
definitely. I'm working on my tour for this year, for Europe and the US, and of course, it don't take why I don't do concert for Naija. I just feel like say I want to do and make it make sense. Like I don't just want to do just anything. Like the kind of music I don't get plenty music. A lot of even the last few albums. I never perform them for like do my own tour. So the next one is gonna be very special. So I just to take my time, make it day memorable. So I'll be putting out details very, very soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for coming, and once again, happy Valentine.
Same to you.
So where would they go?
Eh?
Where would they go? You dey shy to answer now.
Hey.
Now wow. Anyway, coming soon. Enjoy the song one more time. No Suffer, brand new jam. World featuring Odumodu Black
And Maforisa
and Maforisa for inside the song. If they come back, no go anywhere.